Hey everyone, welcome back to Little-Homestead. Today I will be in my plant glory as I take you through some greenhouses that I've stopped at. Well, it's one place, but they have a few greenhouses and some of the things that I've done with my plants so far. So the greenhouse that I went to on this day is called Berries. It's a local greenhouse near where I live at. They have a really good variety, the plants are really healthy, and they are not too pricey at all. The price point is really good. This is actually one of the flowers I ended up purchasing, the peach one. I will also be going over all the plants that I have picked up in this haul. I went here to honestly just film and look around, and plants got the better of me. I'm addicted to plants, so I could not leave without getting some or a lot. Um, so yeah, it was a really fun trip to see what they all had. This is what I got for this fall. I am so excited to see how they grow throughout the year.
Alright guys, I'm going to go over a few of the plants that I got. I did get two at Lowe's. So I got this yellow Delilah. They were a little pricey. I didn't like that, but I really wanted these in my front yard. So I got a yellow one and I got a red one. Those are the only two plants I got at Lowe's. The rest I got at Berries, a local greenhouse. So I did get these begonias. Let's see what kind they are. Oh no, they're not begonia. They're a dragon wing red. These I have had. I don't know if that's a type of begonia or not, but I think it might be. It is. It says begonia. Yay. So I've had these before and they do really well. These will go in my hanging baskets out front. So I'll have one in each of those. And then let's see what else we have in here. I got a green pepper. I didn't realize I grabbed the green bell pepper. We're not huge fans of the green ones, but I did get a red one. And then I got aroma tomato. And then I got two cherry tomatoes right here. Then I got some lettuces. I got some romaine, and there's another gourmet lettuce there, so I grabbed those. And then I got these beauties here. These are some zinnias. Since I have a red Delilah, I wanted to get an orange. These will probably go in our front yard too. And then this is it's like a deep pink. It's not a red, it's a little different. And I really like that shade. And then I got some Vinca vine. I like the ones with yellow in them. Sometimes I don't always get these. I like to vary it slightly from year to year. And then these little white flowers, these will go in my hanging baskets out front. They're called Diamond Frost. I had a really good year with them last year, so I'm doing them again. And then I got some Impatiens. These will go in the front flower bed too. Since I have all those bright colors, I figured white would break it up a little bit. And every year I have to get Creeping Jennies. They are great. I love them in my hanging baskets. The Vinca vine I think will go in some of my pots. And then I haven't used these before for like the center high part in a pot, but I thought I'd give these a go. They don't have a tag in, but it's like a tall grass plant. This plant right here is like one of my favorites out of the bunch. I think it's so gorgeous. Different shades of pink, the ombre sort of thing. And that is a Super Bane Royal Peachy Keen. So I got one of those. I'm going to see how it does for me before I get another one. And then these, I don't know where I'm going to put these. They might end up in their own individual pots as decoration somewhere. I had gotten some of these, I think, last year, and they did well in their own separate pots, and I did like them. Okay, let me see which ones these are, because one's a jalapeno. This one is the red bell pepper, and then these were jalapeno. We did jalapeno from seeds last year. I can't find the seed packet. but we canned and pickled them, and I've been using them in a jalapeno cheesy bread, so I've been going through them faster than what I anticipated. And then the last thing I got were these gorgeous flowers. I get these pretty much every year. I love this type of flower. It's a lantana. I love the ombre effect again on this one. This one's just more primary colors compared to the peachy keen one. But yeah, so this is the batch that I got so far. We're going to see how far that stretches, and I might get more. We'll see.
Alright, so I ended up potting some lettuce. So I'm going to show you how I potted my lettuce, but I actually ripped it out and put less in each pot. This is one of the smaller pots, so I think there's like 2 or something in this one eventually. But I did use a regular potting soil in this. I picked up these pots at Lowe's. They were one of the cheaper pots I could find, which was really good for the budget. And I like the bright colors, especially on our back porch, because there's not a lot of color back there. And it really just helps bring the back porch to life a little bit more. So here I just plopped in the 6-pack because I wasn't thinking right away about how much room they would need to grow and how big they're gonna get. So I ended up switching it to 3 per pot, and I did the same with the other. There's like a gourmet lettuce too. I didn't quite put as many in each pot. But yeah, I cannot wait to harvest these and use fresh lettuce that I know where it comes from, and just really be able to enjoy the fruits of my labor. I really enjoy growing my own food and preparing that and then eating that. And I also do different preservation methods. I freeze a lot of my foods, and I also like to can my foods. I did get a pressure cooker. Unfortunately, the stovetop I have now, I cannot use that on, but I'll figure out a way. And this I thought was appropriate for a snippet of my cat Jack. He was so lively that day and such in a playful mood. He's so cute. I love how it's like the smallest things to entertain him, like a little hand movement under the covers. It's like a whole new thing. Alright, so I'm going to take you through some of the potting arrangements that I did. So we had the lantana, the vinca vine, the verbena, and I forget what kind of leafy plant that is, to be honest, but it was earlier in the video, and the grass in the middle. So I have these on the front too. I installed a half basket, and I have a lantana, and these 2 wonderful draping plants that, again, you heard what they were earlier. This plant I got, it's like a mini umbrella tree or something, a dwarf mini umbrella tree. I got this at Lowe's, and I love it. It just throws out that super jungle vibe, and it's amazing. And this pot I got from Target, and I love that. It has a cool texture on it. And then this, pothos, that's what it's called. I put that in the macrame. I got the macrame from Target. And then I put some plants up on my windowsill. Our neighbor's cat likes to visit, and I'm hoping this will deter him from hitting the window. I have bell peppers in this pot here. And then I had some jalapeno pepper plants. And I have a baby tomato there that I grew from the seed. Some more pepper and lettuces. I will do a whole garden tour once it's eventually all done. I did plant my herbs in a 3-tier. I got basil and curled parsley, And these I do end up freezing at the end of the season, so I still have some for winter. And oregano. The oregano did really well for me last year, and the basil last year, the bees were attracted to it, so I gotta keep an eye on that this year. I got some tomato plants planted. I have holes drilled at the bottom of the bucket. If you guys know what these plants are, please let me know. They started creeping out from underneath the deck. And I have some more mini tomato plants that I grew from seeds. I have Roma and cherry tomatoes growing. And Jax again. He was definitely in the mood that day. He was wanting to do different things, and he found my blanket and he was trying to get up in there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe below and like the video if you liked it. I will see you guys next time, and hopefully the next time will be on a garden tour. See you guys.